with a vision to create the best quality homes, with a passion to deliver the best in style, luxury and comfort, with a promise to make and keep of on-time delivery for every project. ACE has been at the forefront of creativity, innovation and excellence in the real estate industry. With nearly 8 million square feet of projects delivered, 6 million square feet under development independently and 5 million square feet under development with joint venture partners in Greater Noida, ACE has been known for creating the best in luxury and affordable homes. In the past 8 years, ACE has successfully delivered 4 landmark projects. ACE Platinum, ACE City, ACE Aspire, ACE Gulfshire, and has recently launched ACE Parkway, creating thousands of happy homes which are best in location with ultra-modern amenities and affordable in price. Now, ACE presents ACE Divino, an unmatched blend of modesty and elegance in aesthetically beautiful 2 and 3 BHK apartments, spread over 10.4 acres with 75% of open spaces and stylized landscape of Zen gardens and terrace gardens. The project is equipped with a state-of-the-art clubhouse including amenities like swimming pool, children's pool, yoga and meditation hall, gymnasium, health club and spa, skating rink, tennis and badminton court, basketball court, indoor game hall, pool table, children's play area, jogging trail, parks, amphitheatre, coffee lounge, luxurious club lounge, and much more. At ACE, we understand the challenges involved in buying a home. With ACE Divino, we bring to you stress-free homes. Stress-free senior living, with a range of activities conducted by professionals for seniors like group exercises, yoga sessions, laughter clubs, walking clubs, book clubs, etc. ACE Divino is a haven for senior living. Stress-free homemakers. We will take care of the one who takes care of you and your home. Your talented homemakers will have special classes like Zumba, Kathak and cookery, which will be a great stress buster for them. Happy homemakers make happy homes. Stress-free security. ACE Divino is equipped with industry-leading surveillance equipment and security services. Now, leave your worries behind and set your little ones free to explore the world around them. And be assured that they are safe at every step. Stress-free EMI. With a goal of getting you closer to your dream home, we at ACE introduce a first-of-its-kind stress-free EMI scheme. No GST. Pay 10% now and nothing till offer of possession. Free registry. EMI sharing for 1 year after offer of possession. Book your home with us today and let us share your EMI worries for 1 full year while you plan all the small and big things you need in your home with your loved one. Your love and your trust is our most cherished possession. We welcome you to your happy home. We welcome you to Ace Divino.